Yeah. Yo, how much is it? $420 overalls.
Yo, Darren.
Sup?
Can I get a raise?
Yeah, if you break 5 world records.
What do you mean 5 world records? Like nobody. How much a raise?
I don't know, 420?
Down. There you have it. 1 day, 5 world records. Now you can do the same thing at home. What's that? You don't have one? Luckily for you, we teamed up with Insta360 and are actually doing a giveaway. So you can actually win what I'm holding here. The thing we use all day to film everything. Comes with an Insta Go and then also a V-Brain brushless. So if you don't have one, you might as well enter. It's free. That's why we did all this. Hurry up, bro.